Hungry but short on cash? Turn that Apple gift card into a delicious DoorDash feast. First, locate your Apple gift card. Make sure it's an Apple gift card, not an Apple Store gift card, as those can only be used for hardware and accessories. Next, gently scratch off the protective coating on the back of the card to reveal the redemption code. Be careful not to scratch too hard and damage the code. Now, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Choose Add to Apple Wallet. Then select Apple Gift Card or Code. You can either scan the code using your camera or enter it manually. After you've redeemed your gift card, the balance will be added to your Apple account. You can verify this by going to Settings, then tapping on your name at the top, and then selecting Media and Purchases. Open the DoorDash app and start building your order. Choose all your favorite menu items to satisfy your cravings. When you're ready to check out, tap on your payment method. You should see Apple Pay as an option, and your Apple account balance will be used before any other payment method. If you don't see it, make sure Apple Pay is set up on your device. Confirm your order and enjoy your DoorDash delivery paid for with your Apple gift card. Using your Apple gift card on DoorDash is a simple way to treat yourself. Subscribe for more money saving tips.